This is David Henderson, a man the court heard had been involved in aviation for many years.
Show you inside.
And this is the single-engine Piper Malibu aircraft he'd been due to transport Premier League footballer Emiliano Sala in. But instead he went on holiday to Paris with his wife. In his place, he asked Lincolnshire man David Ibbotson to fly the plane, a man who wasn't qualified or competent. He didn't have the right licence and he wasn't allowed to fly at night. Prosecuting barrister Martin Godey QC told the jury that Mr Henderson was aware there were issues with Mr Ibbotson's flying from the start. He'd received a message from another person who'd flown with him describing his flying as all over the place, and in 2018 received an email from the owner of the plane saying that Mr Ibbotson should not pilot the Piper Malibu again after he'd committed 2 airspace infringements. But on the night of January the 19th, 2019, Dave Ibbotson and Emiliano Sala took off from Nantes in France to make their way to Cardiff in Wales. They never made it. Their aircraft crashed north of Guernsey in the English Channel, killing them both. Following the crash, the prosecution alleged Mr Henderson tried to shift the blame onto the pilot. They say he contacted colleagues to tell them to keep quiet. Mr Henderson sent a message to David Smith, an aircraft engineer which carried out maintenance on the plane, saying, "Malibu has gone missing on way back from France. Don't say a word to anyone." The following day he messaged Hedley Alott, who'd raised concerns about Dave Ibbotson's flying in the past, and said, "Ibbo has crashed the Malibu and killed himself and a VIP passenger. Bloody disaster. There will be an inquiry." Concluding proceedings, the prosecution told the jury that they can be sure of David Henderson's guilt. He denies endangering the safety of an aircraft, and the trial will continue tomorrow. Leanne Brown, BBC Look North.